This is high tide and no development zone area. Follow now because it is in water. The main thing is the old, this one when Bombay Goa boat was there, it was up to there. I think I should come along. This was the place where Bombay Goa jetty used to be there. Okay? What they did, Captain of Port did in 2008, asked for extension of the jetty. Or at that time, you know that in 2007, the mining scam, which was there from 2004 onwards, the mining scam was going on. So during that time, they wanted this jetty to be used for coal handling, so that the things can go from here. Then what happened is, that time I didn't object, and they started the work. Okay, they started the work, and they built a jetty which was not there. They built a jetty. The jetty was for only offshore, because it was offshore port. Panjim is not a harbour. Panjim is just a offshore port, which is going to be in the offshore in the 10 nautical miles. Even the casinos, when they came, they were said they are not going to be here. They would be offshore, 10 kilometers away. So they asked for a permission. They like when they asked repair the shed, they say. In the repair of the shed, they remove the shed and put. That's what happened in Siddhartha Goa. Here it is worse. Siddhartha Goa is a private day. Here it is public thing. They have gone straight up to 60 meters. From here, if you see 60 meters into the water. After going 60 meters, they went 100 meters wide. First, they built the spires. These spires were about 58. How much? 58 spires to make the jetty. They got enlightened. Ari Baba, if nobody is objecting. I made initial noise, but it was more symbolic. It was not what you are doing here, why you are destroying Mandavi, Biodas. But then I said, public attitude will be for the jetty, because they will say, Hari Baba, Dr. Joe, what jetty is also required for development. So, pros and cons, I said, Mandavi is important, but this sort of offshore facility also is maybe required, and people may be with them in that case. So I didn't object. Then what they did in 2012, they prepared another plan, and in that other plan, they included, here was the end of the jetty. They went there, I told you 100 meters, 60 meters, and they put these spires. These spires are 40 meters deep, 1.25 meters. So about 14 tons of concrete is going inside the bed. I'm a biologist. I've done work, fish diseases, this, that. So as a result, with concrete going, the nutritional recycling doesn't take place. What is important is nutritional recycling, transformation, carbon cycle. That with concrete there is no cycling, no. Concrete. See, garden and to concrete, garden cover, it is concrete. No plants will grow on concrete. You have to rehabilitate this, reclaim, and then modify and make it amendments, and then make it into this. You cannot grow on concrete. So what they did, they started building this. They, they then what they did, fraudulently they got permissions. See the fraud what he did. He wrote to the municipality. Municipality we are building a building. We want permission for electricity and water. So commissioner half. So if you want permission for electricity and water, you come after the building is complete. You understood the whole thing? You want permission for water and electricity. आता तू बिल्डिंग स्टार्ट होत करूंक ना आणि तुका परमिशन जाय. You come after the building is complete, correct no? तो फायदा काढलो तिने. Keep this in mind. तो फायदा काढलो की they didn't know about the other things and all that thing. But before that, Anton Mascarenhas had already given a direct as a CCMA saying that heritage should not be affected. Goa heritage should not be affected. He had also given a very, very clear there should be no noise. See the amount of noise. You cannot damage ecology and environment. You have to take permissions from all the other departments. So municipality हे केला. मागीर this NGPDA कितें केला बरोवला. See, we are not building this in the land. NGPDA is water body. This this our building is coming in water. So I don't think so. You have any authority to look into it. You understand, no? They said it is coming in water. There is no Chalta number and all that. Polo Anton Mascarenhas Chalta number dakilo that it is going to be built here. The building will be built from here to there. But when they prepare plan, they put it in the water. So that was the first fraud. Second fraud, as I told you, they paid fraud with municipality. Same thing, they played a big fraud with the municipality by telling them, this is DB Marg is arterial road. In the arterial road, there cannot be any construction, and especially on the seaside and the land side. Now, Supreme Court has already asked demolition of a building which is 50 meters from here. You know that trends. I don't have to tell you. They've already asked for demolition on the other side of the road, and these crooked fellows are building it on the seafront, in the sea, which is totally nonsense. Destroying, but they didn't take the thing of biodiversity. Seizes the limit. Government to government. IAS is I agree, sir. The Kone vote maybe minister. It is I agree, sir. And these are the rogues who destroy Goa. This is the same thing. They put my name from this vote to Santinese in the election. I'm just correlating how these government officers work. They are wretched. These Delhi fellows are wretched, useless, lazy, and hand in glove with the minister, because here they will get lot of money. If the building comes here, it is going to be casino. There is going to be gambling dens, slot machine, machines for the. What is the building and what do you require building for when you have got a nice building already?
Tell me why this officer came today.
Who?
These officers.
Court has directed.
Okay.
Court, High Court has said, "Arey, CCZM में तुम कितें करता? You are supposed to give permission rightly." ये म्हाका आमकां सोजोना. Dr. Joe is making serious allegations. Please look into the matter. That the court said in February. तेन्ना मागीर लॉक जावन जालो न्हू.
Okay, now inspection, the court has ordered the inspection.
Yeah,
right now.
court, High Court.
Okay, High
So
Court.
now, means
Okay.
the judges, sorry.
अजूनपर्यंत आमी पळयल्ले की प्रायवेट इंट्रस्ट जे आसा ते कायदो तोडून इल्लिगल डिवेलपमेंट्स करताले. पूण आतां आमी पळयलां सरकारूच स्वता इल्लिगल डिवेलपमेंट करपाक प्रयत्न करता. डॉक्टर जोन जशें सांगलां आसतलें, ही बिल्डींग जी आसा ही जमनीर ना, ही दर्यान भितर बिल्डींग बांदपाचो प्रयत्न चल्ला. आनी कित्या खातीर, कोणा खातीर? आय हॅव नो डावट की ही बिल्डींग जी बांदिल्ली आसा इट इज ओन्ली फॉर कॅसिनोज. जर कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट्साक ऑफिस जाय आशिल्लें, पणजेन ऑफिस दवरपाक भरपूर जागे आसा, दर्यान बिल्डींग बांदपाची गरज कसली तुमकां? हाजे प्लॅन्स तुम्ही पळयात. कितलेशेच रूम्स आसा, कितलेशेच ऑफिसां आसा, कितलेशेच एक 300 काय 400 लोकांचे ऑडिटोरियम आसा. म्हाका एकूच प्रश्न आसा, कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट्साक 400 लोकांचे ऑडिटोरियम कित्याक जाय हांगा पणजेन? हांगा ट्रॅफिकाचो प्रॉब्लम आसा, सगळो प्रॉब्लम आसा. इट इज अ व्हेरी क्लियर केस दॅट द गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवा इज कंप्लिटली कंट्रोल्ड बाय कॅसिनोज. आणि जो गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवा परत परत म्हणटा की आमकां कॅसिनो जाय फॉर रेवेन्यू. खंय मेळटा आमकां रेवेन्यू कॅसिनो कडल्यान? कॅसिनो कडल्यान मेळटा 350-400 कोटी वर्साक. तातूंचे 200-250 300 कोटी तांकां वेवर म्हणून दिता. फाटल्या वर्सा तुमी पळयलां कोरोना खातीर वेवर म्हणून 277 कोटी गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवान कॅसिनोक परत दिले. आनी आमचेच टॅक्साचे पयशे जे आमी सरकाराक दिता ते बिल्डिंगो बांदपाक, दर्यान बिल्डिंगो बांदपाक कॅसिनो खातीर मोडटात. तर हे चल्लां ते आतां बंद जावंक जाय. हांकां सामको मद मारला. सो वी हॅड नो ऑप्शन. आमी सगळीं पत्रां बरोवन धरणां करून सगळें जाल्लें. वी हॅड नो ऑप्शन्स म्हणून आमी हो आतां PIL घाला हायकोर्टान. आनी हायकोर्टान सांगिल्लें की GCZMAचें परमिशन रिकन्सिडर करात, तो पर्यंत काम चालू करूं नाकात. पूण जसो लॉकडावन सुरू जालो ओग्गी बसून हांचे सगळे बाकीची कामां सुरू जालीं. सो गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवा ओन्ली युजीस लॉकडावन टू कंटिन्यू इल्लिगल डेव्हलपमेंट्स लायक दीस. सो आमी परत आतां कोर्टान गेल्या. And I hope court in its wisdom will stop this illegality, will stop this murder of the river of Mandovi, will stop this murder of Panji city.